Welcome back to another video. In this video we are going to be looking at Bitcoin, and we are seeing Bitcoin hitting now major support. As we've been calling it this past few days on this channel, we've been saying Bitcoin is going to drop. Bitcoin is going to drop after we saw the break of this trend line over here when we had this drawn out since last week. I believe we had drawn this to 1 2 3. We finally got a full break, and then we got a retest, and this is where we started to aggressively sell Bitcoin around this area. We started to sell, we caught these trades, and then just using fibs we were able to keep on trading. And then the last trade we entered today was at this wick over here. Why did we enter that trade right there? Let me show you guys right here. So all we did was form again another channel to trap the market, and when we saw this, it came straight to retest the channel that we have drawn over here. With this wick, we entered our sells here. We entered more sells, and then we just followed it right straight to our take profit, which was going to be over here at the bottom of this channel. And we've been calling this out since over the week already, that Bitcoin was going to find support around 52,000, 53,000, and that's exactly where it went. It is currently now at 54,000. We could kind of see a retracement over here, and now we can slowly start getting a sentiment for Bitcoin to buy. Why? If we look at this channel, this is a major channel that's been drawn for since February of this year. So it's about 6 months worth of data over here that's been on Bitcoin. Every time we get a touch around this channel, it starts pushing up. Same thing here, same thing here, same thing here, same thing over here, and then it is happening again. So we could possibly see Bitcoin start pushing up once again prior to this area, consolidate, and then probably for the month of October, once the new 3-month candle begins, we could start seeing Bitcoin begin to push up aggressively and to starting to look for new all-time highs. But for the meantime, if you guys want to trade it for right now, we will get into more analysis, in-depth analysis about that. But let's look at this other chart that we have for Bitcoin. This is different channels that we have. Same trend line we have drawn out here. It's like I said, after we got a break, we found support here at this channel, and we just kept selling off. We got a break, and we got another retest, and that's where we entered. And now it's looking like we got a break and a retest of this channel to continue the sales lower. So like I always say, we need to base our trades on technical analysis, and fundamental analysis follows just along with it. So what do we see here? We see Bitcoin reacting like this. So it is still good times to sell it. Even though we see a major wick off here, we are seeing that it is at major resistance because of that channel, and we could see it from here, price action here, all the way leading over here as well, where we got a major breakout there, and it's retesting that level right now. So we could possibly see Bitcoin again head a little more lower, maybe to retest this same level again, possibly come to the 51,000, and if it does continue lower, we could possibly see it all the way go to 49,000. But one thing that we have to wait is for the end of the month to see how the Bitcoin begins to react, how it changes throughout the month, and so we could see where are we going to be entering trades, if our bias is still going to be now bullish because of what we are going to be seeing on the chart forming. But this is a great way. This is how I trade Bitcoin. This is how we've been trading Bitcoin every single day, and we've been capitalizing. We've been capitalizing just with patience, trusting the analysis, and the analysis is good. The analysis is always good. So we've been able to capitalize on these moves, and I'm going to put videos below on the screen that show some of the profits that we did this week trading Bitcoin. But yeah, we were able to capitalize on this. But for the meantime, it is still looking a little bearish. But we are starting to get hope again now that it could start pushing up. And you guys have to remember, when the markets are scared, when the markets are moving fast, is when we're supposed to know how to react. So don't be scared, and don't think Bitcoin is going to zero, because it's not going to zero. And just yeah, so to stay updated on these videos, make sure you like, you subscribe, you share these videos. Make sure you help this video reach the YouTube algorithm, so more people can see these videos, because they're missing out. They're missing out on all this analysis, and it's really great. And we've luckily been able to capitalize on them. And I just want more people to be able to do the same. But yeah, so if we look over here, this is what how Bitcoin has been looking, and it's looking real nice. It's looking real nice. We could probably see a consolidation around this price area, probably for maybe next week, and then begin to start seeing Bitcoin start pushing up higher. But we could probably see it right away start pushing up as well, but we would have to wait. But for the meantime, this is what we have for Bitcoin. This is the video for today. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Stay blessed.